Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workflow in N8. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or removing test workflows, this process will help you permanently remove workflows from your N8n workspace. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to n8n.io. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your N8n dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can see all your automation workflows on the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Personal and click on it. This section houses all of your personal workflows, making it easy to manage and organize your automations. Now that you're in the Personal section, you'll see a list of all your workflows displayed on the screen. To begin the deletion process, locate the specific workflow you want to remove. Once you've found it, click on the three-dot icon next to that workflow. This will open up a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Archive. This is the first step in removing a workflow, as N8n requires you to archive it before you can permanently delete it. Archiving essentially moves the workflow out of your active list, but it doesn't remove it entirely from the system just yet. Here's where things get a bit interesting. To completely delete the workflow you just archived, you need to access the Archive section. However, you might notice that there isn't a visible menu option that takes you directly to this page. Don't worry, there's a simple workaround. Head to your browser's address bar at the top of the page. Look at your current URL and add this to the end of it right after the word workflow. Type $show archived equals true. You can pause the video here to copy this URL modification if you need to. Once you've added this to your address bar and press enter, the page will refresh. You'll now see that the archived workflows appear in the list alongside your active workflows under your personal workflow section. The archived ones will be clearly marked with an archive status. Finally, it's time to permanently delete the workflow from this updated list. Locate the workflow that shows the archive status, the one you archived in the earlier step. Click on the three-dot icon next to it. Once again, this time you'll notice a new option has appeared in the menu, a delete option. Click on delete to proceed. This action will permanently remove the workflow from your N8n account, clearing it from your workspace entirely. And that's it. You've successfully removed a workflow from N8n by first archiving it and then accessing the archive section to delete it permanently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.